Hi, I'm Sergey with the Whistling Kettle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Conflicted Brewer. So we are going to take 5 scoops of this fruit Tisane tea, specifically Casablanca. No, they keeps. And then fill it up about halfway. Look at that color. So we're gonna let that steep for about 10 minutes or so. I find the more you steep it, the better I like it, but that's about it. So our tea is done steeping, and we're gonna take this little guy out, place that there, and then we're gonna take some cold water and pour that in there. I'm gonna take your glass of ice, and pour that in there. You got a nice glass of Casablanca.